Hey guys, I'm just getting ready to start. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of my Create the Rainbow workshop to let everybody see what it actually looks like in person and talk a little bit about the promotion. So during the month of June, Close to My Heart has put out a special called Create the Rainbow, and this is an awesome way for people to try our cardstock or build a little bit of a collection, because basically what they've done is they've created mini packs that are like shades of. So in each package there's a smaller amount of each color, so you don't have to order a whole package of 24. On top of that, you're getting it at a savings. So, and then there's a stamp set that's called Be a Rainbow. There's a rainbow pack of paper too that's also at a savings. And then there's a group of embellishments that are all on sale. The ribbons have all been broken out and are on sale to be able to buy individually. So as soon as I saw it, I knew that I wanted to make a fun, colorful workshop to coordinate with it. So as a consultant, you're able to order the files to create it for yourself and your customers. All the information is on my blog at chrisscreativelife.blogspot.ca. There's just a couple things I wanted to explain about this workshop. They're a little bit different than other ones. This is 4 12 by 12 pages or 2 double page spreads, plus there's a bonus easel card that we'll get to in a second. But the whole project I've created in Design Space. So literally there's one piece of paper that you will manually cut, which is the Pacifica paper. Other than that, the Cricut will do all the other work for you. You literally just have to load your mats in and away you go. If you want to do it as a class for your customers to help promote the Create the Rainbow promotion, it's an awesome way to show the versatility of our cardstock, the fact that they're two sides. So this is one of the layouts that you'll create with the clouds and the rainbow. I've incorporated the stamp set in both the layouts and in the card, and so I just wanted to kind of show you too all the three-dimensional parts of the workshop. So I've added foam tape in certain spots to make everything three-dimensional. And then the embellishment is I used the black and white dots, and they're also on sale. I took a couple of the embellishments. So here I used the raspberry heart ribbon and the juniper twine. But as I always say to everybody, you're more than welcome to change it up and make it more your own. If you wanted to use a different color ribbon, different kind of twine, a different embellishment. So this is one of the layouts that you would create. Lots of room for lots of photos as always. And then this is the second layout. And I specifically did it like this to be able to show off. So again, I've used the stamping. So you use your stamp set. And then I've used lots of the features of our cardstock. So I've embossed a piece. I've used both sides of the cardstock to be able to show the different tones. And I'm so happy with the way they turned out. Again, same thing, a three-dimensional flower, and then the 2 tones of cardstock. It gives your customers some experience in some of the great things that we have as far as our Cricut cartridges go too. So on top of that, on top of the 2 layouts, then there's an easel card, which seems to have gotten a little bit crushed at my crop yesterday. But I'm going to try and show it. So it actually sits up like this. Again, the Cricut will cut the whole thing for you. You just have to actually assemble it, add your adhesive and your foam tape. All the cuts are double-sided so that it appears nice from the back, as nice from the back as it does on the front. There's a stamped sentiment on the inside, but you could totally switch it up. So also, while I was playing with this, I decided that oh, here's a look at the stamp set. Fun stamp set. It's also available to purchase just by itself. So this was also a prime opportunity to be able to show off a little bit of some more of the versatility of our cardstock, as well as the versatility of my workshops. I really want people to be able to get a lot out of them, to be able to teach a lot with them. So there's also a card only workshop for people that just make cards or want to create card kits for their customers. So in the card workshop, there are 2 files. One will cut the rainbow and one cuts monochromatic. And I think they both turned out super cute. They're a little bit different. And then in these ones, I've colored the clear sparkles with our Shinhan markers. So then today, I needed to pack up my Father's Day gift to send to my dad because he lives far away. And so I thought, oh, I wonder if I could mesh the Dad is Rad bundle with my Create the Rainbow bundle. So I'm not sure if you remember, but in the middle of last month, they introduced a bundle called Close to My Heart introduced a bundle called Dad is Rad. So there's a stamp set, and then there's a bundle that incorporates everything to make 4 cards, a double page spread, and a single spread. So what I did was I took those materials and I decided to create another set of cards. So again, kind of playing up on the monochromatic theme. Now I have 2 Father's Day cards, and then I think I'm going to make this one into a birthday card. So this one says you're number 1, and then on the inside I'm going to stamp a birthday sentiment. I've used the gold ribbon and the Lagoon ribbon and some gold gems, and then I've used the Argyle along the bottom, stamping that. And then there's a card that says Dad is Rad with gold gems and the gold ribbon. And then on the inside, again, I did the pattern down the side and then the big stamp set that says, I'm so glad you're my dad. And then this one says, Dad, you're number 1. I used some gray enamel dots with this, some Lagoon ribbon again. And there's lots of room to write on the inside because this one I wanted to write a long message. So, like I said, I love when people are able to get lots of use out of one workshop, and all the details are available on my blog at chrisscreativelife.blogspot.ca, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment here. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.